Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to claim your rewards in the Coingecko app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Coingecko app. Then you should tap on the candy jar in the top right corner. And here you will see first your candy balance, which you can grow by claiming all the candies every day. As you can see, for the first day you receive 10 candies, for the second day 20, and so on and so on. And when you have your candies, you can claim these rewards inside the app. There are a few books made by Coingecko. There are $10 off Coingecko swags, exclusive 50% lifetime discount. Coin Tracker, they have a partnership with quite a few companies. Delphi Digital, CryptoQuant, Accounting, Chain2Frame, Zen Ledger. And you just tap on one of them and you can redeem now if you have enough candies. As you can see, it costs 300 candies. Right now I have 284. So, I need 284 more. So, when you have your candies, you can claim all these rewards. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.